Hi guys, I showed you I picked up this Porsche GT3 RS in a charity shop for 49 pence, and we had a look underneath and the battery compartment was completely corroded, so I told you this was basically junk. I've had a little look through my pile of other radio controlled cars, and you may remember this one had no tyres on it. So I've taken the tyres off this Audi. This is also a Rastar group. So it just happens to have the right size tyres, and you may have noticed as I picked this up, I bypassed the battery compartment and put a very small Lipo on it. That is a small Lipo, but because it's small, it will actually fit inside the battery compartment without having to hack it about at all. Originally it had 3 AA batteries, which is 4.5 volts. The Lipo, when it's freshly charged, is about 4.2. So we'll give it a try, and hopefully we won't burn anything out because it's only a single cell Lipo. I have got a 2-cell Lipo that's a similar sort of size, but that'd be putting 7.4 volts through it, or 8.2 fully charged, and that will burn it out. So we'll try it just like this, see if it works. That'll do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.